Hi there. Today we are going to run a program on this excellent Arduino Uno Wi-Fi R2, which stands for revision 2. And after we installed the integrated development environment IDE the last video, we are going to program this Arduino in this IDE and upload a program from the computer to this Arduino. And then once the program is created in our IDE and uploaded to the Arduino, we can see that the program runs on this Arduino because it will be a simple LED blinking program, and this will be great. So let's start. So we are here at the Arduino homepage and we go to the documentation, and here we can enter the type of Arduino. So we have the Uno Wi-Fi Rev 2, and let's do the quick start. And it tells us, depending on what IDE version you have, there are different instructions, and we look for our Arduino program, what we actually have. Go to Arduino, About Arduino, and in the top here you see 1.8.19, so we have a 1.8-ish version. So 1.8 is the route to go for us. And now it says installing Mega AVR boards. So obviously our Arduino Uno Rev 2 has a Mega AVR chip on it. And interesting enough, also every Nano Arduino has this chip, like it seems. And so what do we do? So we have to open the editor and see the empty sketch. Yeah, that's what we have. And now we should go to Tools, Board Manager, it says. Okay, so let's try this. Tools. Well, once again. Boards Manager. Here we should search for a certain keyword, and it is here written in red, Mega AVR. Okay. Search and install the Arduino Embed enabled boards core. So searching for Mega AVR, let's see what that gives us. There's only one thing we can install here, Arduino Mega AVR boards. This sounds quite correct, even though it does not sound like Embed enabled. So let's install this one. So it's working in the background. I'm looking a little bit through this, also have accelerated the video here a little bit. So once it's done, now it's done, it says install, it reads installed. And yeah, we can close that, I think. Now we're back to the editor. Let's see what the instructions have next for us. Tools board, Arduino Mega AVR boards we should have now. So we have tools menu, board Arduino. Here, Arduino Mega AVR boards and our Rev 2 Wi-Fi. We click that. And you see down below here we got this status bar which says we have now this Wi-Fi Rev 2 board selected. That is cool. Now what next? Selecting a port. Okay, what is a port? Let's make sure that our board is found by our computer by selecting the port. We are tools port. So okay, how do they do it? In this menu, and then for Mac users, which is mine, there should be cu.usb modem, and then in parentheses Arduino, something behind it, which should hopefully read like my Wi-Fi Rev 2. Okay, and then they continue with uploading sample examples. Okay, but that's the next step. And then uploading programs. So first I have to do the selecting the port stuff. So let's see, tools, port. There's nothing like this in here. It should read something like the name here, then written in red, and then in parentheses after it's something like Arduino that was not in the list. So I have to fetch a USB cable really and connect now is the time to connect really for the first time the Arduino. So I have connected it, And now let's see what is in here. Tools, port, here it is, Arduino Uno. So I did not install any software or something, I just connected a USB cable from my computer to Arduino. And now also in the status bar below you see it's selected. And then I think we can go on with the next step, which is uploading already a simple example program. And here they have in the menu of the IDE on the file examples 01 basics, blink and ready to go blink example program. And I also read about this one. They are blinking an LED that is already installed on the Arduino in hardware, so you don't have to have external hardware components. So that's here the blink example in the menu. And now, yeah, oh, they open a second window. So the old one I can close, I think. So, okay, this is the new window. Interesting. Now what do they do once they have that open? They click this upload button here. Okay, so that's the verify button, that's the upload button. I have to click this one, I think. Okay. And now, what does it read? Oh, some red output down there. Red color written on black background. What is this? I have to make the window bigger on my Mac. Okay, so let's make this console bigger. Oof, let's read something. That's pretty disgusting because that's all out of the box, but hey, I'll let that run anyways, that program. It's just as a warning. Yeah, we'll get back to that later, let's see. And then what can we do? Done uploading. Okay, and then was an orange LED blinking. Yeah, I see it. Okay, so I will share with you in a second. Just what are the last, because I already see blinking, what are the last steps to do here? Nothing, so we're done with that. So we successfully uploaded our first program and all done. Yeah, cool. So what I will want to share with you is the real running program. So 3, 2, 1. Look here in the upper, there's the program running. And that's it for this time. Thanks you very much for your attention, and let's meet at the next video.